Hello, Miller Central Vacuum here. I just want to show you this hose here. We have a dual volt hose. This is a direct connect that is right here. You also may have a what we call pigtail. This will plug into a normal receptacle, and what this does is this provides 120 volt down to your power head. Now let's just assume that you have an older hose, still looks like this, and it doesn't work. Or you have a handle that's broken here. Very simple replacements. What you want to do is just take these screws all out. Set that aside. What you will see in here are 4 rings, your switch mechanism, and this we can set aside. Also end to end here, there's a little tab that if you push down very gently, you can slide this cuff right off. A couple things to know about these hoses is there is a fuse right here. It's inside this plug. Also, if you have a corded version, there's also a fuse in here. What you want to do is get yourself a electrical tester, and we will put it on continuity test. And basically what that is when you touch these two together, it will turn on. One easy thing to do here is there's a wire connected to the back of this plug. You want to make sure that the juice is flowing. So with the beeper on, you just want to test. There we go, that one is good. This wire's good. And if we attach right here, this is the low voltage. This is what turns the vacuum on. That side's good, and we'll do the other side too. So we know the hose is good. Also, now you want to check the fuse. Is the fuse bad? Is it not turning on? So let's just check between here and here. That's good. That's good. So that's how you check to make sure your hose is good. If it does not beep, most likely you do have 4 wires that run the entire length of this hose, and you may have a wire that is broken. Let's move over to the switch. One of the common things you see is this is a 3-position switch. A lot of times you will have suction on one side and not the other. That's an easy fix. We know that the switch works, the wiring in here works. It's just one side doesn't work, and that's an easy replacement of this. So basically this will come out, set it right back in there. Now if your handle is broken, just get yourself a new handle, put all these rings back on here. Make sure don't take them off because it is a hassle to get back on. This thing plugs right in here, and you're gonna set this right down. Make sure you got the positioning good. Make sure everything right here is lined up, and that should just nestle right inside there. Put your cover back on. Make sure this side's good. Snap that on. Whatever is wrong with this, it's a very simple fix, simple tools. If you don't have a screw gun, just use a hand screwdriver. Snap that back on, put all the screws back in, and you're good to go.